Hello. Welcome to the Keto Diet and Weight Loss channel. 3 ways to lose excess weight. Okay, here's a small experiment to try. In a random poll of folks you meet today, ask them 2 questions. 1. How do you feel about your body? 2. What about your weight? Do you want to lose, gain or maintain your current weight? About 4 out of 5 will complain about how much heavier they are than the ideal body weight for their age and height, while others will talk about the bulges they want to get rid of. Most folks will also want to lose the excess weight that they think they are carrying. These will include people you think are in the ideal weight category or stick thin. The obsession with losing weight, it seems, is an universal problem of the modern world. There are basically 3 ways to lose excess weight. 1 is strict diet control. Watching every calorie you consume will automatically translate into weight loss. When you consume less number of calories than you normally burn off, you will naturally lose weight. Changing what you eat can also contribute to weight loss. Eating more protein and less processed carbs, more fresh produce and less sugar will help in your weight loss journey. It is both math and biology working here. So, eat healthy and cut calories by around 500 calories from your normal dietary requirement and you will be well on the way to weight loss. This simple change will work for those who have to just lose about 5 to 10 pounds excess weight. However, if you carry a lot more of excess weight, you will need not only clean eating habits, strict dietary control and something more. Junk and processed food need to be completely eliminated from the equation if you seek a permanent way to lose weight. Another way to lose weight is to lead a more active lifestyle. If you are a couch potato, simply adding a morning walk will help shed the excess fats and pounds. If you already walk, then add half hour of jogging or running to your schedule, increase the speed of your walk or include cardio or strength training. Just move more. If you find yourself sitting for more than half hour, get up and walk to the water cooler to grab a glass of water. That brings us to hydration. Drink plenty of water to keep the metabolism working in peak condition. Apart from diet, cleaner eating and exercise, is there a good way to lose weight? No. But you should get evaluated by health professional to find out if you have any health condition that is preventing your best efforts at weight loss. Proper evaluation should reveal any problems. But don't blame it for you lack of progress in the weight loss. Get advice from diet experts on a proper diet for your body type. Hire a professional to help you in the gym and to tailor the right kind of activities for you to lose weight. A simple evaluation by professionals about your eating, exercise habits will reveal any lacunae. If you are consuming 3 cups of ice cream while staying well within your calorie limit, you may still not be losing weight because those calories come from junk food. You have to eat more natural and fresh foods, as these don't just supply vital nutrients but need calories to digest them too. So, in effect, you are actually burning even more. Sugary stuff don't need any effort from your body to digest. You may also be underestimating your calorie intake. So, do it the right way by getting professional help. Thank you for watching. Remember to comment, like, and hit the subscription bell to be notified whenever new content is published.